Hey everyone, welcome back to Launch Space. Today we are diving into something fundamental but super fascinating, the XYZ coordinate system. Whether you are just starting or looking to solidify your understanding, this blog will guide you from the basic to more advanced concept. Let's get started. First, let's recall the 2D coordinate system. This system has two axes. This system has two axes, x-axis and which run horizontally, and then y-axis which runs vertically. Each point on this plane defined by a pair of coordinate system, that is x, y. For example, the point 3, 2 means we move 3 units along the x-axis and 2 units along y-axis. For example, point 3, 2 means we move 3 units along the x-axis and 2 units up along y-axis. Now let's step it off a notch, enter the third dimension. This is where the z-axis come into play. The z-axis is perpendicular to both x and y-axis, usually represented as pointing off or toward you. A point in 3D space is described by three coordinate system x, y, z. So if we take the point 3, 2, 4, it means moving 3 units along x-axis, 2 units along y-axis, and 4 units along z-axis. And this gives us a unique position in 3D space. Visualizing 3D can be tricky at first, but think of it as adding depth to the flat 2D plane. Imagine a room where you have width, which is x-axis, You have width, this is x-axis, and height, this is y-axis, and depth, this is z-axis. Let's say this chair is at 2 comma 1 comma 3. This means 2 units along the width and this means 2 unit along the width, 1 unit off from the floor and 3 units away from the wall. Now let's explore some advanced concept in 3D space. Distance and midpoints can also be calculated. For example, the distance between 2 points x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 is given by the distance formula. The 2 points are Now let's explore some advanced concept in 3D space. Distance and midpoint can also be calculated. For example, the distance between 2 points. The P1 is x1, y1, z1 and P2 is x2, y2 and z2 is given by the distance formula. Then the distance will be x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This formula helps find how far apart 2 points are in 3D space. Similarly, the midpoint between 2 points is found by averaging their coordinate systems. These concepts are crucial in fields like physics, engineering, and computer graphics. In real life, the XYZ system is used everywhere, from designing video games and animation to engineering and architecture. Understanding this system allows you to model real-world objects and phenomena accurately. Understanding this system allows you to model real-world objects and phenomena accurately. And there you have it, the XYZ coordinate system. And there you have it, XYZ coordinate system. Is a powerful tool that helps us navigate and describe the world around us in 3 dimensions. I hope this blog helped you grasp both the basics and advanced aspects. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.